Hello friends, today we are unboxing iPhone 14 Pro 256GB. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So here we go. So let's try to open this. It's very smooth, the small one. So they have made very small box. You can see it's a very small box, just written iPhone. It's complete white board, smooth finishing as per the expectation. So we have like 3 camera, the sensor and flashlight, and wow, it's amazing, stunning beauty. Awesome. So as we expected, they have not provided the adapter, only this C-pin charger, this cable. As always, they are sending stickers and pin. So this is the pin and this one is sticker. So very small and neat and clean packing. You can see everything is white. The packaging is very nice. Even these small pieces are just made of a single sticker. They just try to utilize it in a single mold. This is also just clean paper. The pin is very sharp when you see this. It's just, and see this iPhone. It's stunning, beautiful iPhone 14 Pro 256GB. And let's try to start. Here we go, iPhone 14 Pro. Great. Thank you friends. Yeah, that was the unboxing for iPhone 14 Pro. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.